Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block specific words in your comments. So if people use a specific word that you don't want them to use, quite often profanity, it'll block that comment from people seeing it. So what you need to do is go to your YouTube studio, and what you do is you just go underneath your icon, click on YouTube Studio, and then from there, go down to Settings. Under Settings, click on Community. So down below, you'll have an area for blocked words, and you can type in words that you don't want people to use. Now, I'm not going to use profanity here, but for example, you could say cat or dog or human. Most likely, it'll be other words than these basic words. However, if anybody used these words in my comments, they would be blocked. And there you go. Those words are blocked. If anybody wants to use dog or cat, they have a problem on my channel. I'll probably change that before you guys get to this video. But if you do have questions, put them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.